The following video is about the MantisX system and some of its capabilities. We're going to talk about decision drills, and within the decision drills you have 4 different settings. That's color, that's shape and color, that's addition, and then there's dice. Continue to watch, and I appreciate it if you do the like, subscribe, share, and all that other stuff that you're supposed to do on YouTube for people and things that you support. Obviously you want to clear the firearm first. Then you want to turn it on, get the blinking lights there. Then you want to set it down on a solid surface. Go to the MantisX app, connect it, and then go to decision drills. As you can see on the screen there, you got shoot, no shoot, colors, shoot, no shoot, shapes, shoot and no shoot, dice, shoot and no shoot, addition. Now I am going to be aiming at a point on the wall. You don't have to have a target, you just have to have something to reference, right? Because ultimately the device on the MantisX itself is going to determine how stable you are at the break of the shot. I am using a Dara holster that accepts a light, so I'm able to put the MantisX on my M17 and actually holster it, so that's kind of cool. If you don't have a holster, that's fine. You can do compressed surprise break, or you can get a MantisX adapter for your magazine, and then you can holster, for example. So let's get started. So we're going to go to colors first. I've already holstered the firearm, but just to demonstrate here, we're going to go drill. You can obviously change your settings. Go check out my other video if you want to see how you do that. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. And then we covered all these in that video as well to show you some of the things you can do with these different settings. I'm gonna hit holster. Now since it's on holster, it knows when it's holstered and when it's not, right? So I'm gonna set part time for 4. Okay, you could do whatever part time you wanted. Done. Now right here it says forward. I'm gonna hit. It is actually forward, but I'm going to show you that it calibrates. So I'm going to set it down on a hard surface. And now it's calibrating. Now it says it's backwards, but I want to change it back to forwards. I was just demonstrating how it calibrates. I'm right-handed. We already did the drill. So I'm going to hit start. See how it says holster the firearm, and I don't have it holstered. Now watch this. Watch the screen. Right there, it's going to start recognizing that the barrel is pointing down. Okay. All right. So I'm going to charge it. Make sure it's good to go. I'm going to holster, and then I'm going to wait. All right. So press when I see green. I see blue. I'm not going to do anything. That's the way it goes. Right. Press when you see green. Okay, there you go. So you have your shoot no shoots for colors. There's your demonstration for that. I was only doing 2. The blue one was a no shoot. The green one was a shoot. You guys get it. So let's go back to decision drills. Go to shapes. I'm gonna hit drill. I'm gonna do this a couple of times because I want you guys to see what's going on here. Okay. Part-time, none. I'm gonna put none on this one, and we're gonna go holster, of course, holster, and then we're gonna hit. Actually, let's do part-time. Let's go 5 seconds on this. Okay. Go hostage rescue, passing score of 85. We're gonna repeat 10, buzzer delay 2.5 or 2 to 5. Excuse me. Done. Now, pay attention to the screen, okay? Because it's gonna give you a shape and a color. And you have to find that shape and color. And if it is on the screen anywhere, you're going to present and you're going to take care of the threat, right? The threat being the shape and the color. So we're looking for a blue triangle. on the screen. I see a blue triangle. I'm going to present and fire, right? Now we're looking for a green star. Green star. Present and fire. Okay, see, it was down on the bottom right-hand corner. Now red triangle. I see a red triangle, second row to the left. Okay. Now a magenta square. I don't see a magenta square, second row, second from the left. Green square. Green square, second row, second from the left. You guys get the gist, right? All right, yellow star. Bottom row, second from the left. And then a blue square, let's see. Blue square, third row, all the way left. Waiting for it to give me something that I don't need to shoot. There's a blue square. Second row, third from the left. And a red square. Okay, no red square, I'm not going to shoot. So there's that, and then a blue triangle. No blue triangle, I didn't shoot. So that's the deal with the colors and the shapes. So it gives you some cognitive stuff going on there, which is awesome, okay? So let's go back, decision drills. Now let's go shoot, no shoot dice. Okay, so equal to 6. That's not it, that's 7. Now equal to 6, or less than 6, excuse me. It's 4, we're gonna shoot. Less than 10. It's 5, we're gonna shoot. Equal to 6. That's 6, we're gonna shoot. Less than 3. That's not less than, it's more than, so I'm not gonna shoot. You guys get the gist on the dice. Okay, now we're gonna go to decision drills. No shoot, shoot, addition, okay? Equal to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. That's not equal. Okay. Equal to 8. So that's 7, not equal. Equal to 4. That's 5, not equal. 7 equal to 7. That's 7. We're going to shoot. Equal to 4. 4. Now equal to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, not equal. Equal to 5. 5 equal to 9. And you get the gist, right? So you're going to do your addition. You see if it's equal to, more than, whatever it tells you. Super fun things to do. It works your cognitive ability to either draw and shoot or whatever you're going to do. It's pretty good stuff. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, do all those things. And if you want to purchase a MantisX system, check out the link below and purchase it through my link. I am an affiliate. I get a small little kickback, and I certainly appreciate the effort there. We'll see you later.